Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. Today we are just starting the next unit, algebra. Okay, in this we will just starting the chapter 18, fundamental concept of the algebra. So first of all we will understand what is the algebra. As you know, in arithmetics we use the only numbers, like all the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinite. But in algebra we use the some alphabet that is called a variable. We will discuss about the variable later. So like x, y, z, a, b, c, all the alphabet we can use in the algebra. Got it? Along with the number like 1, 2, 3 till infinite. Okay, so in algebra we use some alphabet along with the counting number. Whatever the alphabets we use in the algebra, their value is not fixed. Okay, their value is not fixed. Got it? Now what are the constant? All the counting number like 1, 2, 3, 100, 5000 till infinite. Okay, all the counting number are called a constant because their value is fixed, because 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 5000 is 5000, because their value never changed. Okay, now after that, what is the variable? X, y, z, a, b, c, whatever the alphabets are there are called a variable because their value is not fixed. Okay, it varies question to questions. Got? Now after, suppose 6x, 2y and 3c, this is written here, so it is also called a variable. This is the combination of the constant and variable. When the constant and variable are written together, so it is called a variable because still we don't know the value of the x. Okay, the value of x may be differ question to question. The value of the x can be differ in every question. So the value of x can be anything. So we cannot say what is the exact value of the 6x. Similarly here the value of y can be anything and we cannot say what is the exact value of the 2y. So 6x, 2y and 3x means the combination of the constant and variable is also called a variable. Okay, so constant all the counting number and the variable where the alphabets are there. These alphabets also called the literals. Okay, variable and the literals are the same things. After that, some symbols are there which I am going to tell you. This is the sign of equal, as you already familiar with this, and this is the sign of less than, or also called the smaller than. This is the sign of the not smaller than. This is the sign of therefore. Difference between the two numbers like 4 and 2. What is the difference between them? So we will write the 2. Okay, so and this is the sign of not equal. This is the sign of greater than, and this is not greater than, and this is the sign of because, and this is implies to, implies that, and this is the sign of implies that. After that, a statement of the algebraic form means some statement will be given and you have to write the algebraic expression. You have to write that statement in the algebraic form. Got it? Such that x subtracted from 4 is less than y is equal to, how do you write? X subtracted from 4. From means say. Okay, so you have to subtract the x from 4. So we will write the 4 minus x is less than y. So you will write the sign of less than. Okay, this is the sign of less than. X subtracted from 4 is less than y. So you will write like this. You have to put the sign. Now second, x decreased by 9 is equal to the 5. So x decreased by, so it means you have to subtract the 9 by the x. X decreased by 9 means x में से 9 माइनस करने पर is equal to 5. 5 के इक्वल होता है. Got it? And this can be written like this: 9 decreased from x is equal to 5. Okay, still you will write like this: 9 decreased from x and x decreased by 9. These are the same statement, but the language is different. Okay, so just pay attention to the language of the statement, okay, of which you have to write the algebraic form. So after that, some questions are there in the exercise which I am going to tell you here. Like here is written, you can see in the exercise 18a. This is the exercise 18a. The sum of 8 and x. I would like to tell you here, as the language, as the statement is saying, you have to just follow the statement. Okay, the sum means the sign of plus, positive, addition. The sum of 8 and x, the sum of 8 and x is equal to, this is the sign of equal to y. Okay, x decreased by 5, as I told you here. So here again you will write the x decreased by 5. The example which I gave you here, the x decreased by 9 is equal to 5. Okay, and this question is saying that x decreased by means minus 5 is equal to y. Okay, and the sum of 2 and x, the sum means the sign of addition. Sum of 2 and x is greater than y, that is this is the sign of greater than y. Okay, then after, the sum of x and y is less than 24. The sum of x and y, the sum of x and y is less than, this is the sign of less than 24. Similarly, you will do this: 15 multiplied by 5, okay, means 15 multiplied by 5 gives 3n. Gives means is equal to 3n. The product of 8 and by, the product of 8 and by, product means the multiplication, 8 and y is equal to 3x. Okay, now one more, say 7th, division. 30 divided by b, this is the sign of division. Then 30 divided by b is equal to p. Z decreased by 3x. Z decreased by, decreased means subtraction, by 3x is equal to y. Okay, so and 9th, 10th and 11th you will do on your own, and the rest of the questions are exactly same. Got it? This, okay, these questions you will do on your own in the book. After that, the second question is saying, for each of the following algebraic expression, write the suitable statement in the word. Here it is written that the 3x plus 8 is equal to 15. So you will write the 3x plus, you will write plus like this, plus, okay, in words, plus 8 EIGHT, 8 is equal to 15. Okay, you have to write the given algebraic form in the word. Now this 7 minus y greater than x. So how do you write 7 subtracted by, or you may write here the added also, 3x added 8 is equal to 15. Okay, and you will write here 7 subtracted by y, that is the sign of greater than, is greater than y, that is the x. So this is the 7 subtracted by y is greater than the x. After that, 2 by minus x is smaller than 12. Here you may write the 7 minus minus by 7 minus by is greater than x. At place of subtracted by you may write the minus as I am writing here. 2 by minus x is smaller than or less than, whatever you can write, less than or smaller than 12. Got it? Similarly you can write here 7 minus y is greater than x. Okay, one more I am just going to tell you this. 16 plus 2a minus x is greater than 25. So here the bracket is there, so you will write the sum of 16 and 2a subtracted by x greater than, this is the sign of greater, so you will write the greater than 25. Okay, sum of 16 plus 2a subtracted by x greater than 25. Similarly you will write it here, the sum of 3x plus 12 subtracted by y is smaller than 3a. Okay, so rest of the question which I left you will do on your own by using your bit, and this 18a exercise is finished. Only the constant and variable was there which you need to understand. In next video I will just tell you some more terms related to the algebra. Till then you just keep practice of this question and keep studying. Thank you.